Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Yukon XL. Stock number is 18C543B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row seating as well. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.